Hello, this is your girl Bianca Jaye, and I wanted to share with you what I've been doing. I had a friend who asked me about a couple days ago. They have a high school senior. He is 18 years old and he wants to start a business. And so, seeing that I'm in business for 20 plus years, his mom came to me asking for advice. And what did I say? Let's go to Chat GPT. Usually I have it on my laptop, but I want to share with you this feature. I'm going to speak to my personal assistant. Hi, Monique. How are you today?
Hey, Bianca Jaye. I'm doing great and ready to dive into whatever you got on your mind today.
Yes,
Sweet.
I have a friend who has an 18-year-old student. He's a senior in high school and he wanted to start a business and needed some advice. What advice would you give him to get started?
Well, first I'd tell him start with what excites him. What problem does he want to solve? Or what's something he genuinely loves doing? Once he's got that clarity, I'd have him test a small version. No need to start big. Talk to potential customers early, get feedback, and don't fear adjusting. And most importantly, take that first step. What's stopping him from starting today?
That sounds good. Now, he is very smart. He loves math and he's been doing tutoring. So, what advice for him to get started with a tutorial service online using AI? He wants to use AI in his business.
I'd say he's got a great starting point. First, pick a niche, maybe advanced math or science prep, and create some sample lessons. He can use AI tools to help generate personalized quizzes or interactive problem sets. Next, have him start small, offering a few free sessions to build credibility and gather testimonials. And to scale, he can automate scheduling and feedback using AI, saving him time while making every student feel seen.
Mm,
Step out on faith and let him test the waters. He'll refine as he goes.
wow, that sounds like good advice. Now, I do think he would appreciate the advice, but like I said, he is just now starting a business. So he needs a lot more structure, a lot more detail, how he can get systems in place. I think about the 12-week year. Basically, you're compressing a year into 12-week increments. I know you're familiar with that, but that would help give him a step by step plan. So, if we thought about the 12-week year and he wanted to make probably $10,000 a month, which would get him to $120,000 a year, which is a lot for 18-year-old, but using AI, he can do that. It's very doable. So, how would you suggest, the next 12 weeks that he would spend in getting his business up and running using AI?
Break it down so he can run with it. Week 1 to 2, define his offer. What specific tutoring packages will he sell and how will AI personalize the learning journey? Week 3 to 4, build out a simple website or online profile. AI tools can help him create content quickly. Week 5 to 6, pilot his tutoring, offer discounted or free sessions to get testimonials and refine his process. Week 7 to 8, integrate AI for personalization, whether it's AI quiz generators or chatbots that help students between sessions. Week 9 to 10, launch a marketing push. AI can assist in creating ads or content that'll attract more students. Week 11 to 12, review and scale. Look at what worked, adjust and set bigger goals for the next 12 weeks. In short, clarity, action, feedback, and growth. He'll be amazed at how fast he can get there.
Thank you so much. And as you can see, this was all in a matter of less than 5 minutes that I was able to help him get a plan together. So I like what she said. Plan, action, scale, and growth is very important. But just think about your own business. What can you do? Do you have a niche? Do you have a question? That's what we have Chat GPT for and AI to help you scale. Well, it'll help you innovate first, come up with a great idea, put that action plan in place with all the details. If you don't have it, it helps you create the content as well. But I just want to share this with you because it was in less than 5 minutes that I was able to help her son. And I wish him much success. And he is going to be a part of my coaching program to help him step by step to make sure he's successful. So please, if you have any questions, follow me on Instagram. We'll be putting some short videos up at Bianca Shelby. It's all about leveraging AI to help us transform